Salt shaker. Same thing, you have table salt in your kitchen right now. What if that same salt, sodium, could power your phone, your car, and eventually your entire city? That's exactly what scientists are working on. And in 2006, sodium-ion batteries are finally ready to go mainstream. This could be the biggest energy revolution since the invention of the lithium battery. Context: 0-30, 120. Right now, almost every rechargeable battery, your phone, your laptop, your earbuds, electric cars, runs on lithium. Lithium is great. It's lightweight and holds a ton of energy. But there's a massive problem. Lithium is rare, expensive, and environmentally damaging to mine. Most of the world's lithium comes from a few countries in South America and Asia. This creates huge supply chain problems. And as the world moves toward electric vehicles, the demand for lithium is going to skyrocket. So scientists have been searching for an alternative. Something abundant, something cheap, something safe. Enter sodium, the same element that makes your salt salty. Core content: 120, 310. Sodium is literally everywhere. It's in seawater, in the ground, in your food. It's one of the most abundant elements on Earth, and it works in batteries almost exactly the same way as lithium. MIT Technology Review named sodium-ion batteries one of their top 10 breakthrough technologies of 26. Companies in China, Europe, and North America are now building factories to produce these batteries at massive scale. Here's what makes sodium-ion batteries so exciting. First, they're dramatically cheaper to make. Since sodium is so abundant, the raw material cost is a fraction of lithium. Second, they're safer. Lithium batteries can overheat and catch fire. Remember the Samsung Note 7. Sodium-ion batteries are far more thermally stable. Third, they work in extreme cold. Lithium batteries lose charge in cold weather. Sodium-ion batteries handle freezing temperatures much better, which is huge for countries with cold winters. The trade-off right now is energy density. Sodium batteries can't yet store as much energy per kilogram as lithium. But for stationary storage, like storing solar energy for a neighborhood, that doesn't matter. And that's exactly where they're being deployed first. Wow fact: 310, 340. BYD, the world's largest electric vehicle maker, has already started putting sodium-ion batteries in some of their affordable EV models. An electric car running on table salt. That sentence would have sounded insane 5 years ago. Call to action: 340, 400 watt. The energy revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And the students who understand these technologies are the ones who'll be building the companies, careers, and solutions of the next 20 years. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We're covering quantum computing, gene editing, and way more. Drop A in the comments if you want a full video on electric vehicles.